One Chico attorney wants to be a part of the ongoing lawsuit between the city and a group of homeless people.
Well, Action News Now reporter Danny Maston is live at Lower Bidwell Park in Chico. So Danny, why does this attorney want to be included?
Alan, attorney Rob Berry believes the city and the plaintiffs have not put enough emphasis on protecting the city's parks and waterways. Homeless and waste filling Chico's parks and waterways. Chico stewards for parks and waterways filed a motion to be part of the Warren v. Chico case. It says its goal is protecting Chico's most beautiful and well-known areas.
Somebody needs to step up to protect and restore the parks and the waterways of Chico, and that's really what our lawsuit's about.
People in the community are skeptical about Berry's motives.
Rob Berry's adding some validation to that the city is responsible for people camping in the parks. It wasn't people's free decision to be there. But at the same time, whatever he wants to do with it, it seems like irrelevant, and I got to assume it's more about him trying to hype up a sort of political importance.
Berry believes the city violated the Brown Act's open meeting law by denying fair and open disclosure to the public, especially after the city decided to spend money to build a homeless shelter pictured here at the BMX site.
Where the line is drawn is that the allocation of public funds, for example, must be done in an open meeting. You cannot allocate $1 million to buy pallet shelters, as an example.
I checked with the city about Berry's Brown Act claim, and they said they couldn't comment. The Brown Act prohibits members of legislative bodies to make group decisions without holding formal meetings. What are you hoping to gain out of this by inserting yourself into this lawsuit?
Well, the first goal that we have is to declare parks and waterways 150 feet on either side of the high water mark of all waterways and all formal parks to be excluded from the injunction which currently is prohibiting the enforcement of encampments like this one.
Berry will have a hearing with the judge on December 2nd, and if the judge approves, that means that Berry will be able to attend the settlement conferences going forward. Live in Chico, Danny Maston, Action News Now coverage you can count on.
Thank you, Danny. Action News Now did reach out to the city and the plaintiffs for comment. Both parties say they can't discuss this case at the moment because of the judge's order.